What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome if you are new. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Parikshit. I am the founder of Mintav Incorporated and online skills agency. Overall, guys, I am excited to make this video for you guys as I'm talking about the 3 principles that really changed my life, that really took me from one level to the next level when it comes to business. And I'm telling you guys, this is what's going to take me to make that, millions of dollars per month, because I think these are just the foundations that you have to create in your mind, the foundations that you have to create in your life for you to actually be able to handle certain type of success. So overall, guys, watch till the end of the video. There's a secret announcement at the end of the video as well, and a secret gift to all of you guys. So watch it till the end, and let's get into the 3 principles that changed my life. So the number one thing that changed my whole life was me raising my standards. And for those of you that have been following me for a while, you guys know how much I talk about raising your standards, the importance of it, and how important it is to actually have, standards in your life and not settle for less. I am a big believer in believing that you don't get what you deserve in life, you get what you tolerate. As a lot of people, they tolerate a minimum wage 6-figure salary when they're worth millions of dollars. I truly believe that. And once I really started raising my standards in life, once I really started saying, you know what, I want to only do over a certain number, I went extra hard, right? So if my standard says I am never going to make lower than $10,000, you best believe, even though if I don't do anything that month, I will make $10,000 one way or another, even if I have to rob a bank. This type of standards you need to have to really achieve some big type of success. Because when you have this type of standards, there's levels to it, there's disciplines to it, right? Like, you're not gonna break your standards for yourself. A lot of times, you guys already have standards. You guys already have your emergency number. You guys already have a number that get you comfortable, right? All I'm telling you to do is just raise it, right? So if that's for you is $10,000, make it $100,000. And trust me, guys, it's a whole new ball game. You will realize that it's the same amount of effort, and you will reach the next level doing less work and having more free time. And that is where I am right now with my business. I have a lot of free time. All I do is focus on how to actually bring the business forward instead of doing the work. And no matter what, my business will bring in a lot of money every month because of my high standards. And when I talk about high standards, I am not only talking about money, I am talking about friends. I am talking about the type of people I meet, the type of food I eat, supplements, how I treat myself. Really having high standards for all area of my life, just because I'm telling you guys, your standards determine your reality, right? What you tolerate is what you get. And if you're not willing to tolerate something, low standards, if you don't like how some people act, if you want your friends to be a certain way, have certain standards for friends, do it, guys. Trust me, it is one of the best thing you can do. It is changed my life. And you know what, whenever people tell me to give me an advice on life, I tell them about the standards. Raising your standards can change your whole life. One of the easiest ways of raising your standards is by changing your circle, changing the people around you, making sure that the people around you are winners, making sure that the people around you are higher than you, because there comes times in your life where you might be the guy in your circle. I was that guy in my university because I was a young kid making a lot of money, owning a business, doing some pimp shit. But at the end of the day, if I am the guy in my circle, it gets to me, it gets to my ego. And what starts happening is that I stop learning, because I think that I know everybody, I know everything. I think that I don't have to learn anymore. My ego doesn't want me to learn from others. You know what I mean? So you gotta make sure that the people around you are making you want to grow, making you want to work harder, and are elevating at the same pace, or maybe even at a higher pace, because you need to be making sure you're working. Like, my circle is just full of winners that are always elevating, and that automatically elevates me. I've had instances where if I'm slacking and I see one of my friends going hard, I am not gonna slack. I'm gonna go as hard as possible. So that is the first rule, guys. Raise your standards, and the best way to do it is just not tolerate low things, and also really changing your environment. So crazy things is normal to you. So downtown, crazy cars are normal, right? Because they're everywhere. Me living here at age of 19, for me, this is normal because my standards are so high. So yeah, that's another big thing as well, guys. Raise your standards. The second thing that really changed my life and changed the trajectory of my business would be when I started really focusing on one thing and having laser-like focus on one thing. A lot of people, they're doing 15 different projects. They're running a store, they're doing Forex while running a marketing agency and selling Bitcoin. It is crazy. A lot of times, guys, that is not how you're gonna go ahead and make money, because you guys know that, you know, if you're not focusing on one thing, a man who chases 2 rabbits catches none, right? Chase 1 rabbit. I only chase 1 rabbit my whole, you know what I mean, right now. There's a lot of people working on 10 different projects. You guys need to stop that. When you guys focus on one thing, you guys can gain mastery quicker. Listen, at the end of the day, this goes back to marketing as well. The best form of marketing is having a really good product. Sorry guys, my camera died, so I had to put a new battery in. But basically, I was saying, when it comes to doing the one thing, you gain mastery as you just start focusing on one thing, and you're only working on that one thing because you're allocating all your resources, all your time, all your energy into that one thing. If you guys do that, of course that thing will grow at a rapid pace. Momentum, right? Compound interest, like all of that will just help you gain mastery. And like I said, the best form of marketing is having a really good product. There are some people that are making millions of dollars just through word of mouth marketing, which is just people saying their product is good. So trust me guys, focus on one thing. Really just try to get good at one thing and have laser-like focus on that one thing. For me, I guess you guys can tell what it is. It is email marketing. Last year when I decided to go all in with email marketing and said, you know what, I'm not gonna do anything but email marketing, that's when my business started to go exponentially. And every time I kind of just do this exercise and I think to myself, what is the one thing I should be doing right now? You know, this really comes into my mind, and it really helps me out a lot. So laser-like focus on one thing. Don't be doing 17 different things. Like I said, a man who chases 2 rabbits catches none. So I hope you guys enjoy the second point. Let's get to the last one. The last principle that has really helped me grow as a person is me investing into myself. As you guys know, one of my goals for 2020 was to invest $10,000 into myself, and we're 4 months in. I've already surpassed that. I've invested well over $10,000 into myself on courses, mentorship, events and such. And that is because I truly, and this is, you know what, I might get some backlash for this, and people might think this is a biased opinion, but you guys got to understand, the reason I buy courses and the reason I buy mentorship is because I really value my time. And overall, I am trying to skip wasted time. If I'm trying to figure out everything on my own, there will be times that is going to be wasted. There's going to be money that is going to be spent. I want to instead of spending money learning, through mistakes, instead of spending money through trials and tribulations, I rather pay someone who's already done it and just get their insights. Guys, there's times where I just Google something, go ahead, and I just buy their course because I'm like, you know what? If I can even get one tip out of it, it's worth it. Everybody that I know is that is successful invests in themselves. They invest in their health, they invest in their finances, they invest in their mind. I literally spent hundreds of dollars on supplements recently for my mind, for my body, right? I bought a nice new setup. I invested in my team by buying in myself by buying a nice new headphones for work, right? I do this all the time, guys. I'm always investing in myself because I'm always growing, and it goes back to rule number 1, which is focusing on, what I said before, the best form of marketing is a good product. If I'm improving myself every day, if I am investing in myself, if I am just growing at a rapid pace, that is the best form of marketing. That's how I will be able to network with high-level people. That's how I will be able to get clients. That's how I'll be able to get students, right? Because I am just focused on growing. So I'm telling you guys, invest in yourself. It doesn't only have to be buying courses, buying mentorship. Invest in yourself through your health, through your education, through your finances, right? Majority of the money I spend is to make me a better person. I buy Kindle. I already told you guys about the headphones, but I bought a bunch of supplements. I'm buying books all the time. I'm investing in courses. I'm investing in new softwares. I am all about investing in myself and investing back in my business. A lot of people, they will never understand this lesson because they think that anyone that is trying to sell them information, anyone that is trying to help them is is a scammer, and that is on them. And you know what? You might think the same way. You might think that I am saying this because I have a course, but it's not the truth, guys. Like, I can give you guys so much examples of people learning from other people and, you know, dominating. Right now my wallpaper is Kobe Bryant. Him and Michael Jordan had the same coach and the same trainer, and he always learned from Michael Jordan. You know, Lil Baby always talking about his influence from Young Thug, Drake talking about Lil Wayne, you know, Jordan talking about learning from Phil Jackson and all these other guys. You can't figure everything out on your own, and you know what, most people will never get this concept properly, and that sucks for them because they will waste a lot of time. Their ego will not let them spend money to learn something fast, and you know what, they're gonna just make a lot of mistakes themselves and learn through that. And sometimes, like I said, guys, you can't help people out, you know what I mean? You can only do so much, but if people don't want to help themselves, you guys can't do much about it. So yeah, investing in myself is how I've been able to really grow at a rapid pace. Last month I spent around $7,000 on myself, and I've already 6x'd my income from March to April. And I'm not making that up. I do less work, my team is more efficient, and we make more money because I invested in mentors, I invested in different softwares, I invested in my knowledge, I invested back into my team. Always reinvest back into yourself, and you'll never regret it. Trust me, guys, that is the best advice I can give you when it comes to just growing at a rapid pace. Those were only 3 principles that changed my life, okay? I built out a whole new program, and I was doing a call with my inner circle group, and I was telling them all the business and mindset lessons I've learned in the last couple of years, and they loved it. You know, usually our calls are an hour long, but it was 2 hours long. I decided to record it. I decided to basically, you know, record all the lessons I was talking about, and I'm gonna be adding more into this program. So right now, if you guys want to get it at launch price and get it for 50% off, click the link below, and I'm gonna be honest, it is $492 US. I am not scared to say the price, and that's because I only like, you know, letting people learn from me that are serious. You know, if you can't come up with $492, you're not the person that I want inside of my course anyway. And also, wherever money goes, attention flows, and you will take it more seriously. Okay, so I'll be adding more business lessons. There will be lessons just like this inside of that course. I'm telling you guys, this course will change your life if you were to actually go ahead and apply what you learn. And I'm telling you guys, go ahead, check it out. If your money's tight, if you don't want to invest in yourself, listen, this is not for you. If you're gonna argue with me, if you're gonna backlash, not for you, don't join. I'd rather not have your money than you be a headache, because even recently I refunded a student because he was disrespecting me. You know, he was straight up disrespecting me. He's probably watching this video disliking it, but I refunded him because I don't need no one's money, guys. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys want to join the business course, I don't even have a sales funnel for it. I'm just gonna put the link below. You guys can join it. But yeah, those are the 3 principles that have changed my life. I want you guys to go ahead and apply these principles into your life and tell me the results that you get from this. But yeah, overall, there's not much to say, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys got till the end, I know some of you guys did. Comment money, guys, because we out here just securing money. You know what I mean? Every day we out here securing money. Every day we out here getting success. Money isn't everything, but it is one of the most important things in life. So, you know, we just out here securing this bag. So yeah, go ahead, comment down below money if you watched it till the end. Like this video, subscribe. I really fuck with you guys. Follow me on Instagram at SplashmanPB, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.